Hello everyone! This is Marian and today I'm going to show you how to obtain your UAE Police Clearance or also known as the Criminal Record Certificate, especially if you are no longer a resident of the UAE and then you forgot your account password in the MOI website and you can no longer reset it because your UAE mobile number has been deactivated. So recently, the MOI website has been updated and they made it easier and possible for those who no longer reside in the UAE to obtain their UAE Police Clearance. So what you need to have is your Emirates ID number and a credit or debit card to pay.
For those who can no longer access their previous account, what you have to do is to create or register a new account by clicking the option Don't Have or Don't Know the Emirates ID. After that, enter an email address different from your previous account. Then it will send a verification code in your email, and once you have received it, place it on the Verify Code section. Upon successful activation of your account, go ahead and complete your profile. You can use Google Translate to translate your Arabic name. On the mobile section, you may use your current active mobile number no matter which country you are in. Just make sure to put 00 and your country code and your mobile number. Once you've completed your profile, click on Submit. You may now request a criminal record certificate under e-services. Now, click on the Issue Criminal Record Certificate. This is the part where you will need your Emirates ID number. Kindly select Issue Police Clearance Certificate from the option and then enter your Emirates ID number on the space provided. Upon successful verification of your Emirates ID number, it will take you to the application form. Your mobile number and email address are automatically filled based on your account details. So you just have to select the purpose of use for the certificate, indicate the emirate you were formerly registered as a resident of, then select your nationality, and email is the only option for you to receive your UAE Police Clearance certificate. Once all filled out, click on the next button and it will direct you to the service fee. The total cost of the service is 100 dirhams. There will be service charges depending on your credit or debit card account. After successful payment, check your email within 24 hours. There you will receive your UAE Police Clearance certificate. I've received mine in less than 2 hours. So there you have it. I hope this video has helped you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone. Bye!